tall iced caramel macchiato. Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. I am going to do my absolute best not to like sniffle through this entire video, so wish me luck. If you did not see my last video from Gili Trawangan, I am still sort of recovering from my little diving incident. Should I call it a diving incident? If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link that video in the description and like somewhere up here. Excuse me. See, there I go. But I have been assured that at this point in time, it's been about 4 days, that like still the nosebleeds, the nose bleeding part of things, TMI I know, is still normal at this point, like just a few days later. But definitely if by the end of the week I am still in this situation, I'll definitely like just head over to the clinic. So don't worry about me, fam, travel fam and real fam if you're watching. Today though, we are in Legian in Bali and the group is coming to an end. Basically today is like the last full day and then everybody starts taking off. So I will be by myself exploring in Canggu and Seminyak in the next videos, which I'm really excited for. And for me, because I've been down here leading travel, it'll actually be like my vacation, which I'm also excited for because yes. For now though, I am just online finishing up some work for some future trips, and then we are heading out to get some food at Crumb and Coaster, which, delish, and then we will be coming back. Ooh, and I get my laundry back today, which, if you're a traveler, you know. So exciting. So yeah, let's just jump forward and I'm gonna go meet the group and we're gonna go get some food. Now, let's go. Woo! Totally forgot the chain was on the door. Thank you. Yes. Clean laundry. There's literally like, well, not literally, but I feel like it's the best feeling in the world. I will say, however, that the laundry guy that I went to was not so great. There is a laundry service that I usually use when I'm in Legian, like in this area that's a little further down. I was a little bit lazy today, and the security guard when I left the hotel was just like, oh, you're going to do laundry, you should go straight across the street. So I did that, and not only did the guy like try to charge me like 35 Canadian dollars to get my laundry done, which is like beyond ridiculous. I had to like force him to give me his per kilogram rate. I should have walked away. But anyway, I paid him yesterday for my laundry, not $30, by the way, don't worry about that. But then when I went back to get it today, my laundry came back and he was like, okay, like you have to pay for it. And I was like, I've already paid for it. He was like, no, you haven't already paid for it. Anyways, long story short, I basically just looked at him and was like, you know and I know that I've paid, so I'm leaving. And I just grabbed my laundry and walked away, and he was like, oh, okay. I feel like the trick is to like not fight with them, like don't piss them off, but also let them know who's boss. Let them know, you know what they're up to. So that said, I have clothes again, which is great, and I don't have to worry about like finding, probably won't have to do laundry again on this trip at all for like Canggu, Seminyak, and then I'm home and back to Canada. So that is lovely. I am just going to get changed. I think I'll throw on my swimsuit and then we are going to go to the beach. I am not going to surf, but the boys are going to do some surfing, hopefully get the drone up, enjoy a little sunset, and then I'll say goodbye to a bunch of my travelers and then it's me, just me. So yeah, it's exciting stuff. So I am back at the room now. I just filmed like this entire thing with no sound, like with my microphone off. So I'm just going to cut to the chase. Day was good. Rest of the group is headed off back to Canada now, so I'm gonna be left by myself. I just went and grabbed myself some food so that I can eat in the room and get some work done because I have a bunch of work to catch up on. Gotta do that. So I'm gonna leave this vlog here. The next time that you see me, I will be in Canggu. We're gonna check out a brand spanking new hotel there that I'm really excited to be staying at. They were so kind in giving me like a pool access suite that I could check out and all that fun stuff. So it's going to be lovely and relaxing, and I can't wait to share it with you. Then from there, I'm going to be going to Seminyak to be checking out this like just weird, wild, odd place to stay, but it looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. So that's all I can say for now, but stick around for that. And then I'm going back to Canada. So if you don't already hit that subscribe button, definitely do, because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday, and hit that notification bell as well so that you can follow along in order to get like notified as I upload videos on my channel. And other than that, no, nothing. So stay great, travel safe, and I will see you guys in Canggu. Bye.